Are you confused about how Kanban, Scrum, and Agile relate to each other? You are not alone. These terms are often used together, but they are not the same thing. In this video, we will break down the key differences in a clear and simple way. If you are a professional exploring project management or a learner preparing for your next step, this guide will help you understand the unique roles of Kanban, Scrum, and Agile. Let's start with Agile. Agile is not a single method but a mindset or philosophy. It is based on principles like adaptability, customer collaboration, and delivering value in small increments. Agile encourages teams to respond quickly to change instead of following rigid plans. Popular frameworks such as Scrum and Kanban fall under the Agile umbrella, but each applies Agile principles in different ways. What is Scrum? Scrum is a structured Agile framework that organizes work into fixed-length iterations called sprints, usually lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Teams have defined roles, such as product owner, Scrum Master, and development team. Work is planned during sprint planning, tracked with daily stand-ups, and reviewed at the end of each sprint. Scrum provides structure, accountability, and regular opportunities for improvement. However, it requires commitment and discipline to follow its rules consistently. What is Kanban? Unlike Scrum, Kanban is more flexible. It uses a visual board with columns, such as to do, in progress, and done, to track work. The main goal is to improve flow by limiting the number of tasks being worked on at once. This helps teams avoid overload and focus on finishing work before starting something new. Kanban works well in environments with continuous incoming tasks such as IT support, operations, or maintenance teams. So, what are the key differences? Agile is the philosophy. Scrum and Kanban are ways of putting Agile into practice. Scrum has fixed-length sprints, defined roles, and ceremonies. Kanban has no set roles or sprints and focuses on continuous flow. Scrum works well when teams can commit to structured cycles. Kanban suits teams handling ongoing variable tasks. In simple terms, Scrum gives structure, Kanban gives flexibility, and Agile provides the guiding principles. To sum up, Agile is the mindset, Scrum is a framework, and Kanban is a method. Each has its strengths, and the best choice depends on your team's work style, industry, and goals. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel for more insights into project management and professional growth. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.